most used and recommended tools for barbershops in 2024. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button. One Wall Magic Clipper Gold. The Gold Magic Clip wireless clipper is lightweight and features the patented stagger tooth blade, which is designed for creating seamless blends while hard or soft line fading. Uses an even stronger motor to cut through thick and textured hair smoothly and easily. The magic is in the blade. The stagger tooth blade has titanium and DLC coatings that make blades extremely strong, corrosion resistant, and lower blade temperatures while in use, delivering the highest performance. The American-made professional wireless hair clipper uses crunch blade technology designed to make a crisp, crunch sound when cutting, helping barbers and stylists know when their blend has been perfected. Is highly durable and features a metal taper lever. It has a runtime of 100+ minutes with a smart LED charge system. It includes 8 patented premium cutting guides, a weighted, space-saving gold and black charge stand, styling comb, cleaning brush, clipper blade oil, and operating instructions. 2 Babyliss skeleton trimmer. All metal, cord/cordless lithium outlining hair trimmer. Featuring an exposed T-blade with 360-degree views and high torque, Ferrari-designed engine, this cord/cordless hair trimmer has a high torque, brushless, 7,200 RPM engine, brushless, motor, 7,200 RPM. This cord/cordless hair trimmer has a lithium battery with a 2-hour runtime and knurled barbell grip for comfort. Use this professional lithium-ion hair trimmer for crispy edge-ups, hard lines, and all other detail work. 3 Scissors Set. Kyoto Swift Hairdressing Scissor Set, a premium Kyoto scissor set including a powerful sword blade, fixed finger rest and ball-bearing tension screw scissors, all adding up to effortless cutting, brilliant all-round performance with great control, comfort, and balance. And the Kyoto Swift 6-inch thinning scissor with 29 teeth, fixed finger rest and ball-bearing tension screw. For shaver, Braun S9 Pro. Built-in Precision Pro trimmer on this beard shaver is enhanced with surgical-grade steel and gives maximum cutting efficiency even on mustache, sideburns, and under nose. 6-in-1 Smart Care Center automatically charges and cleans, lubricates, and dries at the touch of a button, for a beard shaver that performs like new every day. 5 Accessories. Besides all this, you will need other accessories, such as combs, brushes, cape, and sprayer, but here it depends on your preference.